everybody, Paul here. When a check engine light turns on the dashboard of your vehicle and it's checked with a diagnostic scanner, it may display the term upstream or downstream. So what exactly does that mean? Let's take a look. The term upstream and downstream is used to identify a specific location on the exhaust system in relation to the catalytic converter. Catalytic converters reduce air pollution, which come in all different shapes and sizes and are found in different locations, which are usually found underneath the vehicle. The term upstream means the location on the exhaust pipe between the catalytic converter and the engine, or before the catalytic converter, also known as pre-cat. The term downstream means the location on the exhaust pipe between the catalytic converter and the tailpipe, or after the catalytic converter, also known as post-cat. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.